What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Lucy, aka honeybaebeyy. In today's video I'm going to be installing a press-on nail set from Trashay Nails. I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly, to be honest, but I found this pink jelly set on their website and I thought it was super cute and really wanted to try it out. So as you may or may not know, with any press-on nail set, you do have to push back your cuticles, sand down your nails a little bit, and wipe them down with an alcohol wipe that usually comes with the set. Here I'm sizing the nails to my fingers, and just a quick tip for press-on nails. Once you size one of your hands, you can just find the matching number and nail, and you can start installing your nails. Once you start adding the glue to your nails, you want to make sure that you don't put too much. You want to make sure that you press the nail right under the cuticle so it looks more natural, and you want to press firmly for about 30 to 40 seconds just to make sure that it's on there correctly. And you also want to avoid getting any air bubbles, so make sure you're pressing down, girl. If you happen to put a little too much glue when it comes out of the sides when you're pressing it, just use a brush to remove any excess glue. If you use your fingers, sometimes it just gets all over the place and it makes your nails look ugly and tacky. I usually like to cut my nails down a little bit because this set is a little too long for me and a little too sharp, even though they are coffin. Once you cut them down a little bit, they get a little wider from the tip, and when they're a little shorter, I have an easier time typing on my computer and editing, of course. One side of the installation is always harder than the other, so that's why it looks like I'm throwing up gang signs on this hand, because girl, sis was struggling. So here I'm moisturizing my hands just to make sure that they look nice and moisturized and not flaky or dry before I show you guys the final look. Look at how cute they are. They actually don't look as long as they feel, but they look super cute and I really like them. And this was before I cut them down a little bit. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
She cute or whatever.